This afternoon we are in Northeast Lakeland and I want to present to you a brand new 3-bedroom, 2-bath built by Hulbert Homes. So you get a 1-year builder's warranty on it, which is kind of nice. No HOA, quiet cul-de-sac, really nice open floor plan. Let's take a look. So let's take a tour of this beautiful home at 7540 Willow Wisp. And I want to show you a couple things. First of all, there's no neighbors to the right. And so it's nice and private. We're on a cul-de-sac here. Really nice, quiet, established neighborhood. Over off of Duff Road. Really close to Publix, close to schools. You can hit Interstate 4 in about 10 minutes. But I don't know about you, but this is gonna be under $350 and no HOA and brand new. So who's ready? No CDD, none of that. Getting ready to get the grass cut, so kind of excuse that, but you've got a single car garage. You got all your landscaping here. Cute little front porch. Put a chair out here or two. Probably not sit out there today because today is summer and it's a little toasty in Lakeland, Florida. All right, so brand new and beautiful. You can see this is the nice luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, no carpeting. How about that, you guys? I mean, don't worry about vacuuming, don't worry about allergies, traction on the heavy areas, because this is gonna be really nice and low maintenance. Beautiful quartz countertops, very, very pretty. Love the gray, white cabinets, the black pulls here. And so these are all soft close. Where can you find that? Along with the 1-year builder warranty under $350, right here. Look at this. Nice open room. You guys, this is gonna be less than paying rent in many cases. And I mean that too. So we need to chat. Window treatments are included. You got the 2-inch wood faux blinds. All the lights very well lit up. I've got that fan on because it is a little toasty today. So let's look at the kitchen a little bit more in detail. But by the way, first, you can see this light here. So you put your table here if you're wondering, where do I eat? Put a round table right here. Or I've seen people get creative and put a rectangular table here or something against the wall. So there's many ways you can set this room up. Hey, just go to Claude or Chat GPT. It's gonna place furniture in there for you really easy. Nice big farm sink. All the window treatments. So dishwasher, Frigidaire. You've got range, built-in microwave and refrigerator. Very nice. Now to the right is our laundry room, which is huge, especially for a starter home or investment home. Look at this. So again, you've got quartz countertops in here. Great place to put your laundry basket, folding station, more cabinets. Underneath here, great for storage. Full-size washer dryer. Put your soap up here and your dryer sheets. Got natural light. Okay, and I don't know about you, but garages are pretty popular. I don't know if anybody parks their car in them. I do. Who else parks their car in the garage? Comment below. Are you I park my car in the garage kind of person, or are you like, no way, I got too many boxes and stuff in my garage. It's not happening. I don't know, I'd like to see the ratio. All right, so electric hot water heater. It's really nicely done. You've got pull down attic stairs here. A little bit of storage up there. You got your electrical box. Garage door opener. Everything's really tight, very well done. Hulbert builds a great home. They build custom homes, any size you want. And of course, these are called market-ready homes. So it's not built for anybody specifically. It is built ready to sell. Now, notice this. We have our kitchen here. Right across is a big pantry. Look at this closet pantry. Swing this door open here, a little hard to tell in video, but look at the depth you can see. Plenty of food storage here. You can see the depth here, so it's really nice. It's a kind of a shotgun house, so everything is straight back, all right? So let's first of all turn to the right. That'd be your natural way to go. And you can see here's your other so 2 full baths. This is a tub shower combination. And you got your toilet here. Let me back up so you're not staring at me in the mirror. And here is all your cabinets. Look at all the drawers, 6 drawers, 3 on each side, which is very practical. Good lighting, got your fan up here. Panel doors, you can see, and all the modern fixtures. Now straight across is gonna be one of the bedrooms. Again, the luxury vinyl plank flooring is throughout. We've got the blinds kind of closed here, kind of preserve a little bit of AC. Double closet doors, okay? Pretty standard size closet. Now I'm gonna show you the primary suite in just a minute. Let's stay left. Left again, this is the rear bedroom. Again, hard to tell from video. This is overlooking the backyard. And then again, your closet doors are right behind me. Now the master bedroom, or the primary suite, we want to get proper. It's gonna be right here. So it's very nice size. Put your bed right here, your end tables, got the windows on both sides, ceiling fans, nice baseboards. Check out this primary suite bathroom. Beautiful. Double sinks, huge countertops. Talk about all the drawers. Again, 6 total plus 2 cabinet areas. A lot of counter space. Right behind us is that same tub shower combination. It's fiberglass back there, so it's very low maintenance. Just wipe that puppy down. Got your toilet here, and look at the walk-in closet on this one. So can come up, and you could easily add shelving on the bottom if you wanted to. So this is a great starter home. If you know somebody who is looking for North Lakeland, does not want an HOA, but wants brand new, and it's at the end of the cul-de-sac. Again, I drove around the whole neighborhood, it's very quiet. Will-O-Wisp has been around for a long time. I'm gonna say these homes around here are built, I'm gonna guess in the 80s. I could be wrong, they could be the 70s. I should know because my father actually built a lot of them. Believe it or not, that's another fact for another time. Interstate Homes. So drop a comment below if you've heard of Interstate Homes. Yes, that was my father, Don Stevens, and Bob Adams. They built thousands of homes in Polk County. And so you can see this wood deck off here. Little known fact, private backyard. I don't know if anybody will ever build behind there. Never want to say for sure, but I will tell you this lot is nice and private back here. Nice stucco job. They built it up very nice and high. By the way, they did put mulch all around here, which makes it great. So why is that? Because when somebody's mowing the grass, you're doing weed eating, edging, whatever, you're not up against the house banging up your stucco and your concrete. So to me, it's a really nice thing to have. Hope that's given you a nice idea of this beautiful brand new home. There's your thermostat. It's all Wi-Fi programmable. So you can grab the app on your phone. Very, very nice. Hope you've enjoyed this tour. Thank you so much for tuning in. I would love to connect with you. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian. If you enjoyed this video walkthrough, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. I love to do home tours. I just love it, it's so much fun. Who doesn't love to see brand new homes too? I don't know about you. So, hey, like this if you would, share it with a friend. Again, subscribe, but most importantly, I would love to connect with you about your real estate needs. Over 30 years experience, I love helping other people with their real estate needs. It is my ministry. It is an honor and a pleasure to serve you. I have a small team too, so we can all work with you at the same time. All right, let's connect. All the contact information is below. God bless. Have a great day.